Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw your PLU rewards from Plutus. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Plutus account, you will be on your homepage right here. And keep in mind, to withdraw your PLU that you earned, so your rewards, you would need to be logged in into the desktop browser version. And from here you would need to go to the Pluton tab right here. And on this page you would be able to see the payout and sell button. So as you can see, I've already connected a wallet, but if you didn't connect your Ethereum wallet to Plutus, you would need to go to the perks tab right here, and right here you would be able to see the connect wallet option. So you can connect multiple wallets, but I've already connected my Metamask right here. And if you're also using Metamask, just be sure that you're on the Ethereum network right here. So it needs to say Ethereum mainnet as the network option in the upper left corner. So from here, once you did all that, so connected your wallet, you would need to go back to the Pluton tab. And here, just go ahead and click on the payout option. And now here you would be able to see how much PLU rewards you have generated in the time that you last withdrew. So I will just copy paste this in the amount section, just like this. And here you would be able to select the wallet to which you want to send this amount of PLU tokens to. So as you can see, this is the wallet that I have connected to my Plutus account, the only one. But if you have multiple wallets, you can just click on this and select the wallet in the drop-down menu. So once my wallet is selected and I inputted the amount, here you can read up on some important information, as they say. So the paid payouts will be processed within 24 hours, including a dynamic fee that grants full PLU ownership for external use. So the current fee is 33%, which I guess is just the Ethereum gas fee for the transfer on the Ethereum blockchain, because the PLU token is made on the Ethereum blockchain. So once you have all that inputted and you read this policy, you can just go ahead and click request payout right here. So classic Plutus, as you can see, they've yet again raised the payout limit, and now it's 50 PLU tokens. So I wouldn't be able to withdraw these PLU tokens at the moment, but the process is just you need to click request payout, then you would click payout, and then the transaction would be submitted, which you would need to confirm in your Metamask. Once you click confirm the transaction, you will be on this waiting period within the 24 hours. And from there, they will let you know via email once the PLU tokens have been paid to your Metamask wallet. So that's, guys, how you can withdraw PLU tokens from Plutus to Metamask wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.